Good morning, everyone! So it is Tuesday today and we are going to have a look around Broadway, and then we're going to Broadway Tower and have a nice long walk somewhere in Winchcomb. So we will bring you guys along and let's go! We're on top of Broadway Tower now, and it's a little more cloudy than when I came here the first time, so I'm kind of sad about that, but it's still really pretty. Hey guys, we're in Winchcomb now. We're going to start the walking trail, and we will take you along, and yes, we will be filming the anime tag that will come out in a different video, but look forward to that. And of course we climb a very steep hill in the woods and then realize we didn't need to climb it! We went the wrong way, so now we are walking down very loudly and assume our way to Knap, something it's called. I think there's some historic sites there. If you were wondering how steep this is, that's a hill. Look at that line. Oh my god. So, this route is not very clear because it said if you want to take the shortcut you had to go up through the trees, which is kind of weird. So we went the other way because we wanted to do the long route, and now we went the wrong way apparently. So now we're walking back and now we have to climb that very steep, hilly, foresty area again. Yay! Up we go again! That's number 2! We made it up the hill! So we're gonna have a little lunch now, before we have to climb that thing behind us. Yay! We've arrived at Knap! We have found it, finally. It took some time. And it's actually a burial, wow, pronunciation, burial mound. So, looks like that. That's really cool. So we're not completely crazy. the route is not complete anymore because there were like pieces of the road that you couldn't enter. So, and the description is faulty because it said if you don't want to climb, go up the hill, which does not make sense.
Nope.
So we the way we went first was actually the shortcut, and then we went back, and then we actually went up to Velesklap. And now we went all the way around, and we're back to where we made our wrong decision. And now we are actually going to go down. Oh my god, there's so many! I don't think you can see it. There's so many pheasants here. Like everything is whistling. Is that a word? Whistling. You can hear them everywhere. So many! I just ran down a hill!
We both did!
I haven't done that in a while.
It was funny.
When they say you have to walk across fields, they're very serious about it. We are literally walking across a field.
Pretty hot.
There are sheep in our path. Yes. We will power through this.
Yes.
We will survive.
Move, sheepish.
Move. Now we're cows here, but okay.
Oh hell no, go away.
Hey guys, we're back home now. We're very tired. I already changed my clothes and we're gonna go to the supermarket in a moment, and we actually bought something pretty awesome at Boradway Tower. It's a candle which has orange and cinnamon like next to the candle so it doesn't burn, which is awesome, and it smells amazing. And my sister bought one with eucalyptus
and lime.
And lime, but we don't want to unwrap it because she needs to bring it back home. So we are going to the store, we're gonna get some pizzas, and we're going to attempt to bake a cake as well.
Yes.
And watch a movie, and that's going to be our night. So I think we're gonna say good night here, and we will see you guys very soon. Bye!